In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads video. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to start building a video using Google's built-in tools and templates, all without leaving the Google Ads interface. First, go to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard so you can access all the tools you need. From there, look toward the top navigation bar and click Tools. This opens a menu that organizes many of the features you'll use to manage and optimize your campaigns. In that menu, click Shared Library. Think of Shared Library as the central place where resources that multiple campaigns might use are stored. It helps keep your work consistent and saves time because you don't have to recreate assets for every new campaign. Inside Shared Library, click Asset Library. The Asset Library is your hub for creative materials such as images, logos, and videos. Storing your assets here makes them easy to find and reuse across ads, ad groups, and campaigns, which is especially useful when you're scaling or iterating. Now, in the Asset Library, click the plus icon. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to add something new to your library. When the options appear, click Video. Selecting video tells Google Ads you're about to work with video-specific assets. Next, click Create Video. This opens Google's guided creation flow designed to help you quickly produce a video that aligns with ad best practices. You don't need separate editing software to get started, which is great if you want to move fast or test new ideas. At this point, Google Ads offers you a series of templates. These templates are pre-built frameworks with recommended layouts, pacing, and scenes. You'll see options tailored to different goals, such as highlighting a product, announcing a promotion, or building brand awareness. Each template typically indicates suggested duration and aspect ratio, helping you match the format to your placements, like in-stream or in-feed. Before you dive into customizing, it helps to have your key materials ready: a few short headlines, a concise description or call out, your logo, a couple of high-quality images or clips, and brand colors. Having these on hand will make the template selection and editing process smoother and more consistent with your brand. That's it. You've navigated to the exact place in Google Ads where video creation begins, and you're ready to use the built-in templates to streamline production. In the next phase, you can tailor a template to your message, but for now, you've successfully reached the starting point to create a Google Ads video.